Guys, the S10 Plus is epic. And I found 10 tips, tricks, and hidden features exclusive to the S10 Plus, except for one, but I'll show you that at the end of the video, and it happens to be my fave. I also did a review on the S10 Plus the other day. You can check it out in the cards if you want. But guys, let's get into it. So first up is Instagram mode, and if you head on into the camera and you scroll through the various modes, you will see one called Instagram. And what this does is if you take a picture in this mode, it'll automatically open straight up into Instagram stories, and from there you can customize your picture, add text, and post it straight away, which is super convenient. And not only can you do pictures, but also videos. So if you just hold down on the button, it will record a video and go straight into stories once again, where you can edit it, customize it, add text, and post it straight to Instagram stories right away. I think it's awesome that Instagram and Samsung work together to integrate this in the camera app. So Edge screen notifications got a bit of an upgrade, and as you see here, when you receive a message or notification, there are some different effects. So you head on over to settings, click on display, and then scroll down until you see Edge screen. Once you've selected that, select Edge screen lighting or make sure it's on. There's quite a couple of steps, but in here, if you click on effect, you will now see two new effects. And the first one is called bubble, and the second is called wave. So you can choose either one of these and you'll see the effect change there at the top. I particularly like this bubble one. I think it looks so cool, and to spice things up further, you can still change the color and choose whatever your heart desires. Another nifty little trick I found is that you can now change the color of the Edge screen menu panel handle and customize it to your taste. So you simply open up the Edge screen menu and select that settings icon. From there, click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and you will see Edge panel handle. If you click on that, you will see a whole bunch of colors to choose from, and as you select the color, the handle changes. And then if you click on the color wheel, you can literally choose whatever color you'd like and that suits your background. Here's just a closer look at it. You can move it up and down, make it bigger or smaller, and make your phone your own. Shot suggestion. So if you open up your camera, you will see a circle in the middle of your screen. And as you try taking a picture, there is a target. So this is essentially the camera app suggesting to you what the best picture is to take. It does this by auto-detecting the scene to then give you the best shot. In order to have this shot suggestion enabled, when you're in the camera app, just select settings, and right over there, front and center, you will see shot suggestion, toggle it on, and bam, you have got it on your camera app. Bixby has a brand new feature called Bixby Routine. So you can now program your phone to run through a sequence of tasks that match with your routine. Let's say one of your routines is driving to work or taking a jog. Maybe you're having a bubble bath. It'll run through all these different applications and times that you have set within this Bixby routine. This could become one of Bixby's best features, but who knows? Anyway, let's take a closer look. In order to get to Bixby routines, head on over to the settings sections, scroll all the way down until you see advanced features. Right at the top is Bixby routines, and in here are the various routines that you have. Samsung actually recommends some to you which you can check out, such as work, home, and all the rest, but you can create your own. So here in work, these are the various things that will happen when your work routine begins. You can add some more by clicking on that pencil icon, or if you don't like that routine, create your own routine by clicking on the plus button. Ooh, I really like this one. So if you head into any application that has the keyboard, you'll see that icon, and if you select it, you'll be able to create a live message. So here I'm choosing my background colors, my pen colors, what type of pen tool I'm going to use, and then as you see here, I am creating a message, but it is recording it live. These are just short little messages that you can really have fun with and send something special. Once I'm done, you can save it as a GIF or an MP4, and then actually send this live message to someone within WhatsApp or Messenger or probably via email. It's really so cool and so much fun. There are so many things you can do and variations you can try out. Honestly, the world is your oyster, guys. There is a new mode in the keyboard, and let's just say you have a lot of text that you want to edit. If you click on those three dots, you will see the various modes. And right over here, text editing is the new one. So this essentially really helps you fine-tune your text and also jump from character to character. You can select things with a lot more ease, copy and paste, just as you see me doing here. This is especially great for if you're typing out a really long email, perhaps an essay, something for a book that you're writing, I don't know. AR Emoji has also had quite a big change. So if you head into AR Emoji in the camera app and create your emoji, you will see a lot more new options. So for example, you can change your shirt. I think you can even buy clothes, if I'm not mistaken, change the pants, of course the hair color and all that jazz. But the look of it is completely different, and I must be honest, I actually prefer it. You can use it in different modes as well, so you can overlay your own AR emoji over your face, if that makes sense. And it's also surprisingly a lot more accurate. Here I was laughing, and I really just enjoy the way they've upgraded things. You can also change a background color to anything you want, and again, customize things, really make it your own, and I love what they've done with this. If you are not a fan of the hole punch or cutout, you can hide it, and it's super simple. Just head on into settings and click on display, and what you'll need to do is scroll down until you see full screen apps. Simply select that, and then you will see at the top of the screen you can toggle this on. Now watch as the cutout disappears, and then if you toggle it off again, bam! The cutout is once again there. You have an option to select auto or full screen, and then here is what the calculator, for example, looks like with it on and off. And now for my fave. Bam! Look at that. How'd I do that? So this is by far my favorite feature, and it's that you can now reroute the Bixby button to any app, like Instagram or Spotify or YouTube. Hey, whatever you want. And here's how you do it. So you click on the Bixby button twice and it'll open up this screen. If you click on those three dots and select settings, you will just have to scroll down until you see Bixby key. Once you have selected that, you can choose either single press or double press, and obviously make sure it's toggled on. So I said use single press. Then I just clicked on that settings icon, and now I can choose whatever application I want the Bixby key to work for. So I've selected Instagram. If I click the Bixby key once, bam, thank you ma'am, Instagram opens up. And that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can also check out my other Samsung videos right over here. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!